31.
Supposed to be 42.
It was 35.
You have a pump?
Yeah.
Let's
You
put
did?
something.
You have pump?
Yeah.
It was 35.
Good morning.
Yeah. We want to take a look at to see if it's nailed.
Yeah. Just move it a little bit, back it up. Yeah. Right here. Right here.
Crap. That's the end of our trip.
Hello riders, I would like to share this opinion about the mini air compressor made in my Milwaukee. It's a very good size mini compressor. It's the battery rechargeable like this. It's got like small batteries with they contain of course the hose and then the little three adapters for whatever you need. I would like to I'm gonna put the descriptions below, the link. Very compact mini air compressor. It's on, and then the battery life right here, and then the PSIs you have in your tire. Maybe you have like 20, 25, and then right here the setup, whatever PSIs you wanna put your tire. You can charge like this. Like I said, it's very good size for the adventure biker especially. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.